Hello? Hello? Nothing? Okay, and we do that and we have sound. So, and then if it goes dead, then it sounds like crap again. So... Well, there it is. So I figured out what my issue with my sound was. I thought maybe it was something to do with the old iPod I used to record audio on, which didn't make too much sense. But no, it turns out that I have a short in the end of my lav cable. I have it temporarily fixed just with a zip tie, just keeping the short from wiggling around, keeping it in a position where it works. So I'll probably have to just get a new lav mic. I don't know, trying to repair this type of audio cable. It's so thin and it's all just like copper coated wire, and that's super annoying to try and strip and solder. But at least I know what's causing my crappy audio. So, hello, testing. Hi, I'm Nicky Clements. I'm sure you can tell I'm a little busy at the moment. I'm going through the Daniel Craig 007 Bond films. I've never seen them. They're okay. I guess I expected him to be better, like a better special agent. Or at least in the first one, I don't know, he seems really bad at his job. Like he missed everything. I don't know. I guess I don't really know what the point of the Bond movies are. I've only ever seen a few of the Pierce Brosnan ones when I was much younger, and they're like super corny and bad. And like that iconic green screen footage. Anyway, the reason I'm here is because I did a little 3D printing project. I wanted to share it with you, which is something I was thinking about. I just kind of didn't think about it. I just sat down, I designed it. It took me like 3 minutes, maybe 2 minutes to design. It was super easy to design. Threw it on the printer, printed it out. Here it is. This is all it is, this donut looking thing. You already know what it's for, because I'm sure I put it in the thumbnail. So, it's for my shampoo bottle, so that you can set it inverted like that. How cool is that? How nice is that? How good does that look? How well does that work? That's just pull it up, use it, set it down. All of the shampoo goop is always right where you need it, ready to go. That's genius. I love it. And I mean, look how good that looks. It's like it's part of the thing. Like I said, it was one quick sketch, revolve it, export the STL, print it, and you have your part. It was almost perfect. I missed the tolerance by like a millimeter, maybe, if that. I just hit it with the old heat gun that let me soften it up a bit so that I could kind of force it in there. I mean, it's a super good fit if you wanted like a nice pressure fit cap, but I want something that I don't really want to have to hold that and pull it out, so I don't really want it to come with the thing. So I have a second one printing for the conditioner, and I added some tolerance, so hopefully that one will work a little bit better, but it still works perfectly, and it sounds like it's done, so I'm gonna go grab that. And there is my second one. How do you think I did on the fit? Perfect. That is exactly what I wanted. I'll probably have to print one more. But for now, that is so great. It's the type of thing that's so easy to just not do. Like you have the idea, but it's like, I gotta sit down, I gotta open the program, I have to design it, then I have to go upstairs and I have to print it. It's one of those things where if you start thinking about all the steps, it's just so easy to be like, I'm just gonna sit here and do nothing. But I was like, I'll just design it real quick and I'll just do that. And then once it was designed, well, I'll take it upstairs and I'll throw it on the printer. And then once it was done printing, it's like, well, let's just make a quick video on it, you know? And it's, again, that's the whole point of this channel, is to just try and get myself to just do these things that I want to do anyway, but I'm really good at just talking myself out of doing. But these are so cool. I'm really, really happy with these. And it's the lower the bottle gets, the more stable it's going to be anyway. But No, I think that's because you just want to be able to like grab it, use it, and drop it. And that's exactly what I wanted to do. So yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm happy with the whole, I'm so happy that this exists now. And I'll throw these files up on Thingiverse if anyone is interested. It should definitely fit these 28-ounce Tresemme bottles, and I'm sure there's a whole bunch of other bottles that it will fit. This would also be a great lathe project. Get a really nice chunk of wood. I mean, that'd be a super easy thing to do on the lathe. Just drill out that hole, find a nice Forstner bit that fits the size of the bottle cap there, and just do a nice concave. And I mean, I just totally guessed on what that, you know, I took my measurements from here to here, but just guessed on the curve, and it is, it's plenty good enough. It's certainly close enough. But that's it. I just wanted to share that really quick. Just kind of share my excitement for just doing a simple thing. I mean, that's how low the bar is, but that's okay. That was also an excuse to just finally diagnose why my audio has been junk lately. But my sincere thank you for watching. Once again, I am Nick T. Clements. If you're wondering, Nick is short for Nicholas, and the D stands for down, as in upside down. Anyway, I'm off to make something else. I'm not even in focus. This whole video's
lazy.
This whole thing's
lazy.
Yeah.